Hello, this is Blue Shirt Luke, and I'm going to show you how to build Baby Yoda and his pod, IG11, and Kuiil. We're going to start off with Baby Yoda. Next piece will be this 1x1 stud with the bar one long on the end of it. And you will attach it. Head like this. Then you'll need a jumper plate. Attach it like that. Then this is the kind of complicated part. Take one of these 1x1 round tiles in olive green, and then you'll attach it to the clip. Actually, like that, backwards. Then you will take two olive green hands off of the minifigure arms, and then clip it on the side like that. So this is a Baby Yoda. Then you can attach it to this 1x1 plate with a bar. Attach it like that. So you have Baby Yoda done. Now for IG11. First we're going to start with one of these IG88 head pieces, which came in the Bounty Hunter Battle Pack, but you can use any IG8 head, really, once I started using the cylinders. Or you could just use a plain gray cylinder, like this. But then you take one of these 1x1 round black tiles with the with the bar on top, and then you can connect them like that. Next, we're going to use one of these clips. I used light gray, but you could really use any grayish color, like even silver. Then we're going to take one of these one long pin pieces with the stud on the end in light gray, and we're going to just attach it like this. Then we're going to take the IG88 head, put it on like that. Next, we're going to use one of these handlebar pieces, which come in a lot of sets. They're like just like handles for like off-road bikes. But after that, we're going to take General Grievous's arms. With IG11, he has like tan on his arms, so I'm using the Clone Wars version, not the Revenge of the Sith version. So I'm just going to attach it like this and this, and making sure that the bar thing stays up here because this is the direction of the hand. So next, for the hip piece, we're going to take one of these 1x1 plates with the clip on the end of it, and we are going to take one of these 1x1 round studs with a hole in it. It has to be with a hole in it. Again, just all of these pieces pretty much have to be just a grayish tone, and they'll work pretty well. Put that in just like that. It has a hole on the bottom. Then we're going to take one of these T pieces, which was used originally in pneumatics, but they've been in a lot of sets. There were black versions that came in the Minecraft spiders, but we're going to put this here like. Then for the legs, I'm just going to do one leg, and then you can copy it again to do the other one. We're going to start with another one of these clips. I'm just using dark gray. Then we are going to use one of these weird pieces. This, you can stick a bar. This has a bar right here to clip on, and you can also stick a bar in this end. So we're going to stick this clip into that end. Make sure it's facing the same direction as this. Then we are going to take one of these other 1x1 plates with a clip on the end. This time I'm just using it in light gray. I'm gonna clip this into this. And you make 2 of those for his weapons. He uses an E11 and a pulse rifle. So for the E11, I'm just using the regular blaster piece, which is supposed to represent the E11, and then for the pulse rifle, I'm using this longer blaster piece, which is supposed to be like a rifle, and I'm taking one of these pins in black, and then putting that in the end of it. It looks like a pulse rifle. Now finally, to assemble. First we're going to take the torso, the head, and attach it like that. The arms out a bit. It's kind of wobbly, but because it doesn't go around all the way, but it works. Then we're going to take the hip piece and attach both the legs on. Like that. And attach the hip piece. Okay. You can just leave him like this for when Kuiil reprograms him. You can maybe give him the tray. You can also give him his blasters by just putting it in his hands. So, here's IG11. And then last for Kuiil. So, for the head, I used the head from the Ugnaught in the carbon freezing chamber set that came out a while back. The one in the Cloud City set will do fine, but that one has blonde hair and Kuiil has white. The torso is from the Jawas in the Tatooine Battle Pack, the Jawa Sandcrawler, the other Jawa Sandcrawler that came out more recently, and the Escape Pod sets. But for the arms, these olive green arms, they've come in a lot of places. An easy way to get them is the Kashyyyk clone Scout Troopers. They've come in the 20th anniversary set for the Scout Walker. They've come in a lot of places. But for the hands, these dark brown hands, they come from the Scout Troopers and from the Jawas. So you're probably going to have these. So for the legs, I used Lego Harry Potter from The Prisoner of Azkaban. I used his legs for these dark tan legs. So that's it. So now you've built Baby Yoda, IG11, and Kuiil. Happy building.